Hello, viewers. How are you? It's been a while that I come online in front of you, but today I came for a different purpose, unlike the webinars. Today we are going to start our new series that already I announced that it will be an interview-based program. We will select few alumni who already achieve their career high by thinking out of the box. What is this out of the box that I already explained in my previous video? You can check there. Without any wasting time, today I want to start our program with our very first guest today. I know that guy since 2019 in our alumni meet. I met with him for the first time. I was told that one second year student wanted to present his work in a seminar in front of all of us. When he started speaking in English. And that time it was very shocking to me because I could not imagine that somebody from Jhargram Raj College may start talking in English. But that's the time that I personally feel attracted to this guy. And then gradually I came to know that this guy have some extra strength and he utilized that extra strength. And now today he reached a certain career high that I think will be a alternative for the young students if they're not able to get a job, regular job, like a teaching job or government job, they can think their career. He is our Bhairab Mandal. He is a physics honors student. He passed his master degree, but his another identity is a YouTuber, and he has now at present 122K subscriber. And his background from Jhargram Raj College. So you can imagine that a person from Jhargram Raj College can achieve such thing, and he is gradually developing his channel. Let us evaluate this guy today. First, let me invite Bhairab. So Bhairab, now people can see you. So before we start our program today, I want to ask you what you feel that when I first ask you for this kind of interview. Can you just say a few words, then we can begin. You can speak in English or Hindi, because the reason that I choose this mode, because most of your viewers are Hindi speaking person, as I know from your channel, and also from the beginning our association has this criteria that we will not restricted our program inside Jhargram but also outside Jhargram, and it is a very good career option for the young students. So I believe that it will be useful not only for the student of Jhargram Raj College but also outside of the Bengal. So that is the reason I choose this medium, either Hindi or English. So whatever you are feel comfortable, please go ahead and say hi to our viewer.
Okay, hi viewers. I am Bhairab Kumar Mandal and I am graduated from Jharkhand Raj College. Okay, 2020 pass out batch, and I am very lucky to have such a institution beside me. Okay, all of the people inside this institution or is this JRCPAA association are a motivation itself. Okay, so they motivate me in many ways. Like I did not think that in Jharkhand Raj College I meet such beautiful peoples. Okay, such awesome or something unique peoples. Okay, these are very great. So I am Bhairav Kumar Mandal. I do own a YouTube channel having 122K subscribers.
Sure. First, can I ask you that where you from?
I am from Bankura district. Okay, Bankura district in English, and this is beside Jhargram. Okay, at the border of Bankura and Jhargram, there is my village. Okay.
But I heard that you are from Howrah, because in your YouTube channel somewhere I think I saw that you mentioned from Howrah something.
Yes. I mentioned Kolkata because all over the India my viewers are watching me. Okay, so they do not know other cities like Jhargram or something.
Oh, I see.
That is why I mentioned Kolkata.
I was also confused that that's the reason, that because the way that you are speaking is not matching with the people of Kolkata. So I thought, how is possible?
Yes.
But may I ask you that since when you started making YouTube videos, and from how you got this idea to start making videos?
It is almost 4 years now I am making videos. Okay. At my first year in Jharkhand Raj College, I got my first thought that I have to make some YouTube videos, because I was from childhood very motivated into electronics. Okay, I was doing some electronics projects like in childhood I did many things like making lights from some batteries or lights from other devices. Okay, and reconnect them and do uh, something different.
But is
But
there
after that,
anyone at your house who encourage you, or you saw some work
no,
from
not
somebody,
not at all,
then motivated you?
not at all. My parents also do not like this. They do
Okay.
not like to waste time before exam in these kind of things. Okay, every time I got uh, negative thoughts from them.
Mhm.
Also, it is right, because in my career it will not uh, help me to get a job or something, but I did something different. That is why it is uh, helping me to get my careers. Okay, anyway,
Okay.
so
So now, what your parents are saying about you, particularly when they found that silver button that I can see just behind you, what is their thought about you now?
it does not have any value to them
Okay.
at all.
Still,
They do not think that
so
I
they
got
still do
something
not
unique or
think that
something.
it will be a career option for you.
No, they want job.
I say, yeah, that's
Everybody
true. That
in society
if somebody
wants
get
job.
a job, permanent job somewhere, definitely the base platform will be very strong. Then you can do
Yes,
YouTube a side business. However, there is many YouTuber who already grow already, and they have millions of subscriber. For them, actually, they actually quit the job, and 24 hour they give dedicatedly to the YouTube. So do you have any such plan in future if you think that your channel has the possibility to grow further?
okay, my first priority will be to get a job and settle somehow, because
Okay.
society wants that.
Yep.
And beside that, if I do not get a job, or my luck does not support me anyway, so I will
Yep.
continue this career as my full time. And I might make some websites, or I might improve this structure into something more to uh, to get more support in my career. Okay, from YouTube channel only, might not get some much support. I might have to do some products business or something, and also I have to make some websites to get it as a full time career. Anyway, in YouTube, it might be a full time career if I do YouTube in multiple languages, or in English, or many other countries, or more channels like that. Okay, that can be a good thing, but I did not think of it now. I might think in future. Okay.
So do you think that when you join Jharkhand Raj College as a physics honors student, do you feel that
Yes.
studying physics honors is one of the key factor for your success?
Yes, of course. Physics helped me a lot, because the electronics chapter in physics itself taught me some things like transistors, op amps, how to use them, what is voltage, what is current, and that is the key factor, or the basic thing beyond which my channel is developed. Okay, all my knowledge is got I got my knowledges from physics. Okay, I uh, did not do any specialized course in electronics. All I did is in physics. Okay, in my MSc, that was my uh, special paper, electronics. So from that I also gained very much knowledge.
But how you get these ideas to make one project?
Okay, I was very motivated to do something
Because it
by
is not
myself.
directly mentioned in your study books. So many of your viewers may
Yes,
be
yes, yes.
maybe watching now. They may want to know this thing also from you. Also, the young students, whoever right now are existing student, our physics department, Jharkhand Raj College, or somewhere else, they also, if they want to make the videos, something like that, if it is in their mind, so it is they are thinking that how this guy is getting so many ideas to get to make such videos.
Okay, the idea is, first time I got the idea from my need. I felt a need for a amplifier in my life because I wanted to hear songs in high volume, but my mobile did not support it such high volumes. Okay, then I
At which
had
age?
tried to
At which age?
YouTube videos. I had started YouTube videos at second year of graduation, but
Okay.
what I am talking about is of 11th class. Okay,
Okay.
then I wanted to make some amplifiers. Okay, but that time I did not know about ICs or something like that.
Okay.
At that time I read about transistors in my physics book. Then the uses of transistors is like an amplifier or like a switch. Okay, there was two type of uses of transistors. Then
Mhm.
I tried of using a transistor as a amplifier that time. Okay, but I did not know where to find transistors or where to buy it. Okay, then I broke some chargers and take the transistor and made
Okay.
an amplifier, but
Mhm.
it was a huge uh, time lost. Okay, that I did not get success in this,
Mhm.
and my amplifier dream was a dream still now using transistor. Okay, because I did not get succeeded at that time. Then uh, I read some articles in some websites and watched some videos on YouTube, and then I got some ideas about that transistors can be bought from some shops or something like that. And in this process, I had elapsed some 3 years of my life, and then I got the ideas of making some things by buying some transistors or something ICs were like that. And then I made an amplifier at like in second year. Okay, and then I got very much joy, and I started an YouTube channel and started uploading some projects around it.
So how many
That is how it
times did you
started.
get electrical shock?
That was like 5 to 6 times. Last time I got a shock like around 2.5 years ago.
So did you burn your circuit, transistor, or any home
No,
apparatus
no, no,
by building the circuit?
no. Once I had burned my multimeter and the fuse of my mess room, and that time I did not have any ideas about short circuit or something. And then I got ideas about that in a multimeter, some modes are such that it shorts the two probes. And if you connect this into the wall outlet, and you will eventually short it. And then I got the idea.
The reason that I am asking you this, when I was around age of 6 or 7, probably that time
Yes,
I don't know how electricity works. So I found one naked wire. There's a live wire connected to a
yes,
electrical socket, and our other
yes,
side was just a electric holder with a bulb. So I don't know how
yes.
to connect those. I thought that in the bulbs, previous, bulb has two notch, and you need to tie it inside the holder. I thought that I need to connect on two notch. I connect, I one side first I connect to the electrical socket, the other side I hold by my hand, to hand, and I asked one of
Oh.
my friend to just switch on. So he switched on, and that time I got the electrical shock. So that is class in my age 6 or 7. So anyway, that's the funny part. So one important question that I want to ask you, that when you make these videos, you always you need to arrange some raw material like the breadboard, sometime the printed circuit board, sometime several transistor or resistor, capacitor, multimeter, many things you show in your videos that I show, even sometime also LCD screens. So all of these things somebody give you to make video, or you purchase? From where you collect these raw materials?
Most of these I purchased from online, and some of them purchased from Jhargram local shops. Okay.
So nobody promoting, nobody giving you for promotion.
Yes, yes. Some parties also give me some things for promotion. Some companies,
Mhm.
like these are two multimeters. These are for promotion, and these two machines. This is a power supply, and this is a soldering machine, hot air gun and soldering
So this is
integrated.
your
And
workstation where you
yes,
build the
yes, yes,
circuit and you record your videos, right?
yes. All of these things are given by some companies for promotion.
Okay. So you already people are started giving you advertisement promotions.
Yes, yes.
That's great. And one more thing that for any YouTuber is important, not only recording videos but also edit the videos. So which software do you use to edit your videos?
At first, when I was started my YouTube channel, I was editing my videos in my smartphone. Then I
Okay.
used KineMaster as editing software, and now I use my PC to edit. So I use Filmora 10 in my PC. That is
Okay.
a very handy and easy to use software. Anybody can use it with
So
a
if
very
any
small
new,
introduction.
yeah, if any new young student, if you want to start YouTube
Yes.
video making YouTube videos, so they can easily learn these softwares. You learn from YouTube tutorial or from somebody.
Yes, I learned from YouTube tutorials. Just a half-hour tutorial is enough for
Okay.
learning Filmora. Okay,
Okay.
Filmora is very easy to use.
I see.
That is a plus point for beginners.
So may I ask you one thing that I show many of your videos, but if I ask you which one is your favorite,
Okay, there is no single video as my favorite or most
but if I
favorite thing.
ask
Okay,
you to choose one single video that you are too much satisfied yourself, also viewer satisfied means you got uh, maximum number of views.
okay, that is a different thing because views is not something when where you put lot of effort because it is mostly in luck. Okay, the video in which I did most work or most of the brain is invested, that might not get success. That might get flopped. Okay,
Yeah, that's why I'm asking
so
you which one is your favorite that you satisfied by making that video. Is there any video of your favorite from your channel that viewer
okay, there
can
is
check?
no
Then
there
viewer
is
can
no
check
single
later that
video.
video, or I can give the video link in my I button. So is there any favorite video that you can remember right now?
Okay, video I can remember in that I had a wristwatch which was a
Okay,
LED wristwatch of
okay,
like 60 to 70 rupees, 80 rupees, like $1. Okay, so
okay.
that watch, from that watch, I took the board from it and made the connections from it and made a big clock like this, and that is uh, in that side of my room. Okay,
So that clock you made
this one.
yourself?
Okay, I made myself,
Oh,
but
that's great.
this is a modern version of it by 3D
Okay,
printed segments and
okay.
custom made PCB. But the first version was by using papers. Okay, so I did a lot of effort in this and a lot of planning and uh, everything I had to put it in it to get it succeed. Okay, so that video is my favorite video. I made almost 4 videos of this project till now. So that version I showed just it is the modern version of it where I have used custom made PCBs from a company, Chinese company JRCPAA, and some 3D printed segments and also something like more technical thing. But that time when I was first designed it in like 3 years ago, then I did it from papers mostly. So that version is in my side that this is the first version of it. Okay.
Okay.
Inside this, all of the
Is the
segments made of paper.
LCD screen? If I can
The-
see
All
clearly
of
here.
the segments is made from paper. Okay. Inside this, there are individual LEDs which lit
I
and the
see.
whole segment is
Mhm.
lit up. Okay. And this watch here is it is made using a microcontroller board. It has Wi-Fi and it updates through internet the time, so it will not shift its time by a second after 10 years of usage or so because it updates itself every now and then. Okay, and this I can tell now that this is a product I am designing because I have some PCBs of it also in front of me. These
Mhm.
are designed from a Chinese company, JRCPAA, that are sponsored of my channel. Okay, and I am currently now working on these kind of products. Okay, maybe in future I might sell these kind of products and earn some money from it.
Okay, so you says that you are nowadays working on many project that you are getting sponsors from different companies.
Yes.
So that's good. That's good. So I hope it will help to grow your channel further. So, but what do you think that what is will be the secret recipe for any YouTuber to grow their channel? Either is a tech channel, like your channel is a basically tech channel, or
Yes.
somebody like a travel blogger or some other things. So what will be, as you are working on a video for last 4 years, so you might have some experience, because it's not like that in the very first day you started getting views. I think no, right? It maybe from mid 2020 your channel start grow, right? If I remember correctly, because before that you had, I think, if I remember, 35 or 33K. When first time I came to know about your videos, that time we spoke, I remember in June 2020, most likely. So that time it was 33K, and then suddenly it shoot up.
Yes, yes, yes. Some of my videos got the secret recipe to grow is like your video is the secret recipe. There is no such secret that some settings you turn on and you get viral. That is not something. Okay, your video is the main thing which is the which gives the more value to your audience. Then they engage with your channel. Okay, so a video can be get viral by its thumbnail, title, and the video itself. Everything has equal contribution to a video to get success, because the thumbnail and title the first thing which YouTube shows a unknown person that this video might be might you might like this video, so click here. Okay, so the thumbnail and the title, that is the key thing which brings the new viewers to your channel, and then the video is the only thing which gives the value to them. When they found some value in return in that video, they will stick with your channel and they will watch more and more videos of your. Okay, and then they got eventually subscribed your channel. So that the thumbnail and the title is the first thing which brings the clicks. So that is called CTR, or click through rate. If YouTube shows 100 people your thumbnail and title, if 10 people clicks, that is the 10% CTR. So 10% is a decent CTR, and below that the CTR is low, or above that like 15% is the maximum CTR in real life. Okay, above that there is no CTR like 60% or 70%. There is no such thing. Anyway, and then the most thing which matters is the watch time. When somebody clicks on your video and how much time they watch it. Okay, if they watch it like 60%, then that video is a plus. Okay, that will got to more or more people. YouTube will find this video as a good video to recommend to other viewers. So that is the secret. And if somebody wants to grow wants a sudden growth like getting viral, so they have to make some stupid things, then they will
So
get
some
viral like
people
this.
do promotion,
And
some
this.
people advertise their channel
Yes,
by paying something, some money.
yes, yes.
So is it true or it is just a gimmick?
Okay, advertising your channel, you might get famous because you will get some more viewers, more clicks, but in the end the value they got from your video will be the main thing uh, which will make them watch more and more your videos. Okay, so advertising will give you clicks but not subscribers. If you
So
advertise a
So
video
what do
to.
you think that why people are watching your videos, and why you got more than 100K subscriber? What
Yes,
could be the reason? Why? Because there is so many YouTubers, they are doing also electronic circuit, many people worldwide. So why suddenly they started watching your videos? You are from a so-called remote place compared to Kolkata. So why people started
yes, yes.
engaging with your videos? What do you think?